Hey guys, what's up? scentsByAMK right here. I'm about to film my first ever unboxing video. So it's my first time doing this, so just bear with me. I'm kind of nervous, but it's all good. It's gonna be okay. I guess like the first time's always a little awkward, huh? I didn't mean it like that, I'm sorry. Anyways, okay, so today I'm actually filming this in my car during my lunch break. I have like 30 minutes left, but yeah, it's like pretty cold out here, so I'll just get straight to it. So what I have right here is Burberry's Brit Rhythm right there. Oh, that's upside down. Okay, so you can see the box. That's the front, and then that's the back of the box. Kind of has a picture of what the bottle looks like, and this thing right here looks like a drawing, but it's actually engraved into the box. You can actually feel it with your fingers. The box is like pretty shiny. I think that's pretty cool. Even on the front, like you can feel the letters and pattern engraved right there. It's pretty neat. The bottom of the box is the serial number. I don't know if that's upside down. No, it's right. Yeah, so that's the barcode, and then the batch code right there, serial number, and the top of the box right there, Burberry Brit Rhythm. And this is actually the intense version, so it's a little bit stronger, and the size is 90 ml or 3.4 ounces. So let's go ahead and open it. I actually already I got this last night, and I don't really have like any self-control, so I went ahead and opened it already. So this is not really an unboxing. I'm just kind of doing it on camera for you guys. So here it goes. Gonna open this up. Okay. So it comes inside this little thing that just opens right up like that. Toss the box and that thing aside. So now here we have the bottle. Pretty neat, to be honest. Same thing, the pattern right here, it's actually engraved in, so you can feel the texture. I think that's pretty cool, to be honest. Let's take the cap off. The cap is clear. Let's take it off. The cap snaps right into place, so you can actually pick it up from the cap and you don't have to worry about the bottle falling down. So right here we have the sprayer. It says, I don't know if you can see that, but it says the words Burberry Brit Rhythm right there. Okay, and then on the bottom of the bottle you have the same information that was on the box, the batch code and serial number. And for those of you that don't know, one way to check the authenticity of the fragrance you're buying is that the batch number on the box will match the batch number on the bottle. So it's actually really, it's like barely engraved onto the sticker on the bottle, so I won't be able to show it on camera, but they do match. So this is 100% authentic. For those of you that didn't know that, if you ever buy like fragrances online from third-party retailers, that's how you tell that you actually are buying the real product and not a knockoff. And there's actually a website that you can go to called checkfresh.com, which lets you pick the designer, and it'll let you enter the code in, and then it'll tell you what date that the fragrance you're buying was produced. So for anyone who has doubts or anything, you can always do that to make sure that you're buying the actual product and that it's legit. So I actually smelled this a while back, like 3-4 years ago in a Macy's once. I remember like the lady gave me a sample and I wore it a few times. I don't really remember how exactly it smelled, but I'm gonna go ahead and waste the spray for the video. I'm actually already wearing a fragrance today. It's called Musk Ravageur by Frederic Malle. I don't know if you ever heard of it, but it's a really like high-end designer house, and you can only get it in certain places like Neiman Marcus. I only have a sample right now because obviously like I can't really afford that right now, but I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this on my hand and tell you guys what I think. Let's see here. That, as you can see, that spray's pretty nice. It was like a pretty even distribution. Just gonna let it dry. Always make sure when you spray a fragrance on, do it from a distance. Okay, don't ever spray that close. Do it from a distance and let the fragrance dry on its own. Like let it air dry. I've seen people like rub it all over. No, that's not the right way to do it. That actually kills the molecules in the fragrance, and it stops it from lasting as long as it should, and it's gonna stop it from developing the right way it should on your skin chemistry. So always spray it and just let it dry like that. I'm gonna give it like 20-25 seconds, see how it goes. It's not bad. It's pretty nice actually. So yeah, it's kind of like, it's a little sweet and spicy. I can't really pick up the notes in it specifically, but I do get like a lot of leather from it, so like leather and spices, so that's what I mostly get from it. Yeah, it's not bad. It's really sweet and spicy. So I'm gonna let this dry down and see how it smells over the next couple hours. But yeah, right now, like, this was just an unboxing and a first impression. I'll eventually post a review on this one later, but I don't know when. I usually, in order to review fragrances, I have to like, you know, wear them for a while and then see how it smells after like a few hours, because like I never judge a fragrance on like the initial spray. You always have to like let it dry on your skin and like see how it smells, and then see how it performs. You know, if like, for example, so there's longevity is how long it lasts, and projection is like how far it travels from your skin, like a scent bubble. But you know, I'll make videos in the future on what those mean, but for now this was just an unboxing and a first impression. Once again, it was Burberry Brit Rhythm Intense from the house of Burberry, and that's the bottle one more time. Really hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more content. Take care.